You are aware of the incident that took place precisely on the 29th of October. That has to be the invasion of the home of Justice Mary Peter Odili. Let me first of all thank you, IG, to say that it is not in my tradition to praise people, particularly as regards security agencies. But when you see what has happened in terms of peace, people must speak the truth at all times. When you see a change in what appears to be a tradition, you need to speak out and say that is what the people want. Today in my state, the level of peace, the level of security is as a result of your support not to interfere, not to politicize the issue of security. It's unfortunate I have had the state has had a series of crises since I took over in 2015. I think we've had over more than 10 CPs. That period, of course, security architecture, this person will come, he has his own idea. The next 2 months, another person comes, he has his own idea. The next 1.5 weeks, the other person comes, he has his own idea. But from what I've seen you have done, has created confidence, has created the level of peace we have in the state today. I want to sincerely commend you for that. I've said it in different fora that what I say, because it's correct, if it was not so, you have seen me shouting. You have seen me shouting, radio and television. Because I will not stop to shout when I know that things are not going well. I will shout. But today, everybody here can feel the what's happening, the security, what the IGP and his team and other security agencies have done. And that's what is expected in order to provide peace. Again, we sincerely want to thank you for the effort you have put in as regards the invasion of Justice Mary Odili. You see, this invasion has tried to cause a lot of misgivings, a lot of perception, and we thought that we have read from the pages of newspapers, we have seen on the electronic media. And even when Frank Mba was saying that they are apprehended some suspects. So we felt as people who are concerned, somebody whose wife is involved, somebody whose mother is involved, to really come to you so that we can, share amongst ourselves the level so that people can still continue to have that confidence in police. I have read people have said this, people have said that. I've read people have said, oh, there are so many people who are involved, some are at large, and this and that, and nobody really knows the actual thing. But what bothered me most when we watch electronic media, that up to now we have not had where the magistrate who issued the search warrant, nobody has said anything about the magistrate, and we believe that the magistrate is not unknown. The magistrate should be known, and that gave us some sense of concern. that probably maybe you may not have ended up investigating the matter. But I can tell you, this has, take for example today, assuming police has a search warrant in a house, and with what people are now saying that, look, these are fake people. Now, what happens tomorrow, assuming there's a proper search warrant? How will somebody allow if you don't know whether really they are fake or they are not fake? So it has also now raised another dimension, opened up another dimension, not only because of this matter, but in future. Because as a law-abiding citizen, when once I see somebody comes to my house and say he has a search warrant, I should be able to allow the person, showing that the court gave an order of search warrant. But now it has turned out that the search warrant, those who came, are fake people. So you see, there's that problem now that who is sure tomorrow whether the person or those who will come, they are not fake people. So we believe that this matter should be, we should get to the root of this matter. And anybody who is directly or indirectly involved should face the wrath of the law. It does not matter what the person's position. Because that's the only way somebody can say, if a justice of Supreme Court, second in command, could face this, what about the ordinary people? What will happen? You know, and I can tell you, I'm quite confident that you will unravel whatever that happens. So I'm coming here today is to tell you that, well, if there are any areas you think you need our support, the state government, the people of the state will be willing to make sure we unravel what happened. Because you see, that life has no duplicate. It has no duplicate. But once you are dead, you are dead. And so that this could stop this kind of activities or conduct of Nigerians.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.